best blogging theme for WordPress, and it is totally free. So as you can see, I was able to create this nice looking website using a free theme, and I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing. So I'm within the home. Let's go to the blog page. So this is the blog page, and then these are my blog posts. Okay, so I'm going to select one for you to see how the blog page looks like. I'm going to select this one, and as you can see, I'm having a nice clean blog page. Okay, so this is totally free. And then let's go to the about section, and then I'm also having a nice looking about section, which is also looking nice as well. Okay, and then let's go to the contact page, and then I'm having a nice looking contact page. And as I said, this theme is totally free without paying any money. You also have your website name and then your website logo here as well. Okay, so let's go to the customize. If you want to customize the website, that is where you go, and then you have all these that you can use to customize. So let me show you how to customize the header. So when you click on the header, you have all these sections. Okay, so let's say you want to change the title and then the logo. If you want to do anything with the primary menus, and then we also have the button as well. So let me show you. So this is the title, these are the menus, okay, and then this is the button as well. Nice looking website. Okay, so if you want to edit it, just come and then click on it, and when you click on it, you can simply come and then do the editing as easy as simple, just like that. Okay, so let's come here, okay, to where we have the publish after editing, and that is where I'm going to click on. Okay, so let's click on the close, and let me go to my dashboard for you to see. So let's click on the dashboard, and this is the theme that I'm talking about, that is Astra. Okay, let's go to the Astra dashboard, and as you can see from here, it says welcome to Astra. Okay, so welcome to Astra, and then it is totally free. I'm on the free plan, as I said, it's totally free. So Astra is the theme, one of the best theme out there. Okay, so to get it, go to the appearance, go to themes, and then you click on it. And then when you look at the top side, you are going to see that we have add theme here. Come and click on it. And over here from the popular, it is always among the popular themes. You are going to see the theme that I'm talking about, and that is Astra. Okay, so you can install it and then you can customize it. Okay, so I'm having a link of a video in the video description showing you step by step how to create a website just like this in WordPress for totally free. What you have to do is simply go down the description. You are going to see the link of that video. Click on it and then watch that video next and know how to create your website in WordPress for totally free.